In Fergus, you can easily move items between jobs, variations, and job phases. This is especially helpful for fixing time entries or materials that were added to the wrong place. To begin, open the job phase that contains the items you want to move, then click the Move Items button in the top right corner. This opens the Move Items pop-up. On the left, you'll see all the items from the current job. On the right, you'll see the list of possible destinations. Use the drop-down arrows on the left to expand specific job phases and see the items inside. From there, you can select individual items or use Select All to grab everything in that phase. If you want to move an entire job phase to a different job, click Select Job Phase. A few things to keep in mind. You can only move job phases to another job, not into another job phase. If the destination job already has phases, the letter of the moved phase may change to match the sequence. And you can't move items from a job phase that's already been invoiced. Now, on the right side of the pop-up, select where you'd like to move the items. Choose a different job phase or variation from the same job, or select another job to move the items to a different job entirely. You can expand this job to choose the right phase. Once everything's selected, click Move Selected in the bottom right corner. And that's it! Moving items in Fergus is simple and flexible, perfect for keeping your jobs tidy and accurate.